Day 3, we're going to Perfect Day at Coco Cay. You can only experience Perfect Day at Coco Cay with Royal Caribbean. There's so much to do here. It's a water park. They have a beach club with floating cabanas. They have a lagoon, so much more. I'm going to show you guys around. First, we wanted to play at the water park, and they have the tallest water slide in North America. Of course, we wanted to do that first. It's 135 foot tall, and I for sure got a leg workout walking up all these stairs. All right, finally to the top. Come with me. My favorite slide was the slingshot. It was so much fun. We had a little race here.
1.
This is the Oasis Lagoon. It has a swim up bar. So cool. I almost broke my toenails doing this.
Hello.
Now we're gonna go to our floating cabana at Coco Beach Club. You guys, look how amazing. It was so beautiful here. We met up with all our friends.
Love this. Woo, look at our cabana. Wow.
Without the drinks, it won't be believable. Yeah.
We even got to do some snorkeling.
He's looking for food.
The food was amazing. Look at that lobster. So yummy. Of course, I had to take advantage of the slide that was in our cabana. What an amazing last perfect day at Coco Cay.